Hey guys, I am back with another video for you. I hope you have been well. I'm sorry it's been a few days, but you know, sometimes life just means you have to stop recording and start living it. So I have a special unboxing for you today, and it is this. It is the Tili box, the new box from QVC. Let's just have a look at this beautiful box. Just pale pink with just a hint in the middle. Can you see? Of some interesting colour going on there. I love these Tili boxes. I just think they're really nicely put together, and yeah, I'm excited to see what is inside. The Tili box is £20 from QVC, and it's a one-off box that comes out, is it every quarter or something like that? And yeah, it just arrived today, so shall we get opening? Just before we get inside, it'd be great if you could give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and join my High Def family. Also, if you could share this video once you're done, that would be amazing. And of course, you can ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. All right, let's get into the video. So let's get the lid off. Very excited. It's Friday and best things come on Fridays. Ooh, Tili, try it, love it. That is what Tili stands for. Look at that. It's like, I don't know, candy floss and pink ice cream. I don't know. Swirled up bubblegum pink ice cream something. That's what it reminds me of anyway. I like it. And we got some paperwork. You getting the first look? Is it good? I can't even see. I can't even see. Ooh. These look so good. I think actually on the website you can see what's inside, but if I did, I do not remember at all. So we're just going to go in for it. So the theme is ocean vibes. Sun, sand and summer are the only things we're feeling right now. With all your holiday beauty essentials inside, you can forget panicking about packing and start daydreaming about your next destination. Marvellous. And go to their Instagram and Facebook accounts to find out how to enter to win a Benefit Cosmetics hamper. Okay, let's go with this. From Ultra Sun. Oh, we had a lip balm from them in another thing. What was it? I can't remember. I think it's my M&S box. I had an Ultra Sun lip balm. And this is Face Anti-Aging Sun Protection for Very Sensitive Skin. Okay, with antioxidants, no perfume, no emulsifiers, no preservatives, water resistant. 30 UVA. And it looks like this. I might actually take this tomorrow when I see my friend and give her a try, because she cannot wear any sun cream at all. It just sets her skin off with such a bad rash and makes her miserable, because who wants to be hot, red and itchy from being in the sun? So she just has to hide basically. But this does say it's for very sensitive skin, so we'll give it a try. Advanced combination of UVA and UVB protection at SPF 30 plus powerful antioxidants, restores optimal moisture levels and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Features incredibly fast absorbing, lightweight and non-greasy textures. Ideal for very sensitive skin, sun protection and daily care for face, décolletage and hands. Nice. And it's even the first thing on this list as well. Once a day, your sun cream application is the dream. More time for fun holiday activities, right? This SPF gives UVA and UVB protection for up to 8 hours. Okay, let's see. What is this? Oh, I've had something else from him before. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, Pomegranate and Cassis. Intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. Infused with the luxurious and soothing fragrance of pomegranate, cassis, ginger, nutmeg and orange. And you're supposed to put it into your hair, leave it for 10 to 20 minutes with a plastic cap on. Yeah, you've got to go all in with this. For intensive treatment, apply to damp hair overnight and wash off in the morning. Oh, I could do that. This isn't the second thing on the list. I wasn't that clever. This is new. Renowned trichologist Philip Kingsley originally created this hair treatment for Hollywood icon Audrey Hepburn. How cool is that? A cult favourite, it delivers a rush of moisture to the hair cuticles, smooth frizz and boost manageability and volume. This brand new fragrance is not available anywhere else. That makes me very excited. I've had a crappy day, to be honest, a really crappy day. So I am thrilled to be coming home to this, to you guys and to this box and have fun. That is really putting me in a much better mood and I'm excited to use this, and it smells delicious. Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. Restoring Night Cream Oil. It combines the hydration of a moisturising cream with protection of an oil. Apply every evening, avoiding the eye area. Inspired by your skin's natural renewal rhythms, we have renewal rhythms in our skin, okay? This innovative hybrid night treatment combines the hydration of a moisturising cream with the protection of an oil. Apply every evening to clean skin and wake up to a revitalised complexion. Yes, please. Oh, I'm excited about this. This I do remember actually. Let's see if I can get it out of the bag. And I thought this would be perfect for me because I always and only brush my hair wet, because that's the only time that I can get a brush or comb through it without either pain, or as in a lot of pain, or with having someone else do it basically. And there you go. So this is a really cute little brush. It says Tili on the back. It's like when I go to the hairdressers, right, and they always try to brush my hair dry. And they're combing away for ages and ages. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And they're like, I don't really understand why the knots are. And even after they've like cut it and it's wet again, and they try combing and they just do it the wrong way. It's so funny. And I'm like, do you want me to help? They're like, no, it's our job, it's our thing. It takes forever. This is probably what they need. A nice, wide bristled brush. Anyway, that's just going off on one again. As usual, this utterly adorable hairbrush has been designed especially for you, our Tili customer. Its stiff yet flexible bristles make it perfect for combing through post-beach tangles. Thank you very much. What is this? Ooh, Skin Sense by Abby Cleve. Never heard of this. Hydronet Intense Concentrate. Utilizing lamellar technology, this rich and highly restorative facial concentrate effectively supports the skin barrier to protect from external aggressors and to help maximise skin hydration. Okie dokie. Don't know what that means. Quench thirsty complexions with this potent serum. Okay, it's a face serum. Thank you. Harnessing a patented lamellar. I don't know what this lamellar is. I'm going to have to look it up. Technology. It helps your skin maintain its natural balance and keeps your skin hydrated for the whole day. Okay. I'm going to come back to that one. Oh, we all know what this is. This is their Real from Benefit. This is a mini one. 94% saw dramatic length and volume. 90% saw base to tip curl. 94% saw visible lift. And 100% saw long wearing results. I haven't actually got this, but they might still be around in a few magazines, this mascara, because it was a freebie in a magazine last month. Maybe there's still some issues out there, I don't know. Go and check the women's section. Your poolside persona needs this best-selling water-resistant mascara. It provides super jet black colour, length and volume, and will fit perfectly in your carry-on. Note they say water-resistant, not waterproof. So just be aware of that. Oh, comes in a little bag, so I'm just going to debag. Now this looks like a really nice size, probably not full size, but a very decent size from Ren. Is it Ren or REN? Clean Skincare. Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, which I think means with the hyaluronic acid. Is that what that means? There are no parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, petroleum, synthetic fragrance, synthetic colours, TEA, DEA, glycols, silicones, PEGS, and it never tests on animals, and it's dermatologist tested and approved. I feel like I need a little sniff. Kind of reminds me of the Balance Me one, but a bit nicer, but still a bit odd. But hey, if it does magic stuff, who cares how it smells? A gentle exfoliating toner that resurfaces your skin for a brighter complexion, minimise the appearance of pores, infused with lactic acid, azelaic acid and willow bark, used daily after cleansing. That just proves I have no idea what the AHA stands for. Oh well, but I'm happy to have a fancy toner from Ren, thank you. Right, this is our big one. Oh, I'm so excited. Love this brand. Love what they do. So get it out. Get it out. Get it out. So I'm getting a little bit impatient, aren't I? Rituals, my favourite bath time brand. I think Harmonising Foaming Shower Gel. Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. This is not a full size, because full size I think is 200 ml. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. And this is a 50ml, but this is still a really decent size. You only need the tiniest amount of this foam. It goes so far. I would highly, highly recommend it. It smells so good. Thank you very much. Delicious shower gel. Oh, we're down to our last item already. Last item. Speeding through this. Oh, what does this say about that actually? Sorry, I didn't read this, did I? Make shower time a little more luxurious with this uplifting Indian rose and sweet almond oil foam. There you go. You nearly didn't miss out on nothing. Right, the last item is this. So it's Incredible, which I guess is from like Nails Ink, because they've gone into makeup. Glazing Over Intense Colour Lip Glaze. More Love, Less Likes, enhanced with vitamin E. In Daily Inspo, which is a caramel pink nude, or More Love, Less Likes, a warm rose nude, high shine, high colour, high impact. This gloss gives a non-sticky, wet look finish made for sultry summer nights. Caramel pink nude. What does a caramel pink nude look like? I think I'm probably quite happy with this colour, to be honest. But let's find out what it's all about. Yeah, that is probably more my colour. It is a pinky nude. Pinky brownie nude, I guess. And the applicator is like one of these flat ones. Just checking it hasn't got a dip in it. No, because some of these ones these days got these dips that hold the liquid. No. So yeah, very happy with that. I like the fact that the colour can be quite opaque, or you could make it less opaque, but yeah, you're still going to get a lot of colour from that. That is really nice. What do we think so far? I'm really happy with this box. I don't think there's anything I won't use, can't use. No, I can use everything, which is great, really great. And I think this would make quite a nice box of things to take away on holiday, because you've got, you know, some small size of things you can take abroad, or even if you're staying within the country, you've got some great things to try. Okay, I'm going to go away and add this up quickly, and I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have just switched out my lipstick so I can put on the lovely lip gloss from Incredible, and this is what it looks like. I might use like a lip liner, maybe even a brown one, do you think? Or do you think this is okay? I do feel like it's not the best colour for my teeth. Not as good as a red lipstick looks anyway. But I do like it. Husband was like, oh, it's so shiny. I was like, yes, it's a lip gloss. It's meant to be. He's like, oh, okay. Oh, he's so cute. Anyway, so I'm back with a few bits of information, the top tips you need to know. This Skin Sense with this lamellar stuff, it says Skin Sense was born out of a vision to bring together your newest groundbreaking technology with the highest grade concentration of unique active ingredients in order to successfully tackle the signs of aging. The result is an innovative lamellar technology that locks the ingredients into the skin so they work longer and better. Lamellar structures are composed of fine alternating layers that form an even bond with the skin. Lamellar gel structures emulsify cosmetic oils and form an invisible film around the active ingredient. This suit of armour not only protects the precious ingredients but supports the penetration action of the active ingredients into the skin so they work throughout the day. I will let you know if I feel like this does amazing things for me. When pricing everything up, I really couldn't find a price for this because it's like their own brand little brush that they made. I don't know, what would you say? £5, £8, £10? I don't know. Anyway, they say on the Tili website that this box is worth over £62 when you compare it to full-size items bought from their website. When I added it up, I got the price, not including the brush, to be £82.88. So either way, for a £20 box, we're either £40 over or we're like £60 over. And I'm happy with both. And I really like all these things and I can't wait to use them. The pomegranate and cassis elasticizer from Philip Kingsley isn't on their site yet, obviously because they've told us it's brand new and it's not out anywhere yet, which is pretty cool to get something that new and fresh. And Incredible have a really good range of these lip glosses, so there's plenty other colours if you're not into sort of the more nude colours as well. And that is it. I really like this box. I really think Tili Box is a really good value box, and they always find some new interesting items to share. What do you think of this month's box? Or this, well, not this month. What do you think of this edit, the Ocean Vibes edit from Tili Box? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope it was helpful and fun to spend some time with me. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.